Hey y'all, I'm gonna be showing you how I do my high side ponytail. It's really easy, really simple. I usually do this when my hair is old or like when it needs to be washed and I don't really have the time to wash it, but I still need to go somewhere. So now I'm just taking a spray bottle with some water and just getting my hair really saturated and kind of reactivating the curls and yeah, just giving it back some life. Now I'm gonna go in with my Aunt Jackie's instant detangling therapy. I really like this stuff. I feel like it really does help detangle my hair, and it has a lot of slip in it, and that really helps with getting, those tangles out, those knots and everything. And this next product is from Cantu. It's the leave-in conditioner from the men's collection. I love this stuff. My hair loves it. It's very hydrating. It's really thick and yeah, it's just a great product. I've been using it for years now, and a lot of times I'll just use this by itself and it'll just revive my hair so well. And now I'm just gonna flip my head over and kind of run my fingers through the back of my head and kind of flatten it out more and get those bumps out so that it'll be a little bit more sleek. And I'm just kind of pulling my hair up sloppily into the general area that I'm going to have the ponytail. And now I'm going in with Eco Styler Gel. And I believe this is called a boar bristle brush. I'm just going to take that to really smooth my hair and then get it as sleek as possible. And now I'm going to take some black castor oil to just brush into my edges because I'm trying to get them back full and strong like they used to be. I think that having so much braids and a lot of tension on my hair in the front is what really took them out. So I'm really trying to reverse that. And now I'm just going to take the purple container of the Shine Jam. I like using this on my edges because it's just a really soft hold. It's nothing too crazy. It's not anything like Got to Be Gel. It's really soft and it's also shiny, and sometimes I like that shiny, hydrated kind of look on my hair. And as you guys can probably tell, I don't really like to do too much crazy with my edges. I like for them to be very simple and natural looking. Sometimes I might do a little extra, but most of the time not. And that's it for this style. I hope you guys enjoy this video and thank you so much for watching.